We have been very thoughtful in our site planning throughout Lake Nona West, specifically the landscape and the hardscape and the art installation that you can see going on behind me. We've wanted to create a place where people will come multiple times per week and enjoy their time while they're here, relaxing and social gathering. From the very beginning, the goals of Lake Nona was to create an environment where high quality community interaction and innovation come together and are connected. Retail does that in a community. It brings people together to dine, to have experiences, and to stay a little longer with their friends and family and neighbors. So Lake Nona West is that missing piece that brings the community together and aligns with Lake Nona's overall vision. For visitors, we want it to feel easy and welcoming. For tenants, they have the opportunity to be a part of one of the fastest growing communities in Central Florida and offer their retail services to the community, surrounded by a lineup of strong national anchors.